Hi guys, if you have any software on your computer that's faulty or you don't use it anymore and you want to delete or remove it, we'll show you how to remove the software from your computer to free up memory and make your computer run faster and smoother. There are many ways to delete apps. We'll show you 2 ways of deleting apps without installing additional software, using the Windows tool axis. First, from the control panel, you click the word Control in the search box of the Windows, then click on the Control pane. The Control panel window appears. If your computer has a different interface, you select View by. Here are 3 ways to display the items in the control panel, such as category, large icon, or small icon. To easily select the application you want to delete, you select the category item. Then select Uninstall a program or programs. Here, if you want to delete any application, you need to right-click on the application, then select Uninstall. The Delete Application window will appear, and you can choose Yes or Uninstall to remove the application or software. When you delete it, it will display a message saying that you should close or OK and the application has been deleted. The application or software no longer appears in the current window when you have deleted the application on your computer. Similar to other applications. Second, you click on the Windows icon, select Settings, then select Apps and Features. It will show all the apps that have the default, and you can install them. To delete an application, you click the mouse on the dotted mark, select Uninstall. The Delete Application message window appears, and you can choose Yes to remove the application. Wait for the deleter, and the application has been removed from your computer. So I've taught you how to delete and remove applications from your computer. If you see or like it, share and subscribe to see more videos. Hello, and see you again.